Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, another day and another vlog, but today is going to be a movie day, a movie afternoon. I'm going to watch It Ends With Us with Mahika. It's going like crazy viral on Instagram because it's a very, very, very popular book by Colin Hoover. She's a famous author, and honestly, her books are pretty known. But I haven't read even one of her books because I think that's a very different genre from the kind of books that I like and read. It's not like I only read romantic books. I read a lot of mystery, thriller, a lot of different types of stories. But I think that's just really not my genre. But excited to watch this movie. I'm going with Mahika, and Mahika just finished reading that book I think 2 days ago, and we're going today on Saturday. It's just released yesterday. It's getting a lot of good reviews. I think some people that have read the book are kind of like against the movie or something. I don't know. People say that Lily hasn't been portrayed as how she was written in the book, etc., etc. A lot of controversies, a lot of good, a lot of bad. I haven't read the book. I know nothing about it. I just know like one little factor. I haven't even asked Mahika to tell me too many things. For her, it's going to be like she already knows the story, right? Her experience and my experience are going to be poles apart, like a reader versus like someone that's not read the book. So y'all are gonna get an amazing review of the movie. I am gonna put on a denim jacket and then we'll leave. I am ready for the movie and leaving. As I said, I've worn a denim jacket. I'm wearing this after I don't know how many years. I bought it many years ago. I was easily 16. Yeah, 16, 17. I think during the lockdown I bought this. And I'm wearing this after many years. I haven't worn it in a while. Chhatri, water bottle, everything is with me. Water bottle because of Mahika, because she wants it. That's why. But now, the next clip will be with Mahika. Guys, this girl, like I'm driving and she's calling me. She's calling me 2-3 times. Keep quiet. She called me 2-3 times and I'm driving. I was not late. I was not late. And then she's...
It's 1-4.
So I came.
I was there one sharp.
No, 4 minutes late I'm not.
I swear, I literally called you at one sharp. One sharp cancelled call. 1 2 sharp cancelled call. Then I texted, where are you?
How am I supposed to pick up a call when I'm like literally driving?
Hold operator.
If you all know what she's talking about, comment down below.
I don't think you also know what I'm talking about.
Are you? If I don't know what you're talking about, then I can't be a Carlos Sainz fan, okay? Just shut up. I don't know what you're talking about. So listen, she has watched the movie as I already told.
I have not watched the movie, I have read the book.
Oh, sorry.
I have read the book.
She has read the book and I have not read the book. Tell the audience, like, how did you like the... Why are we looking so bright? But tell the audience, how did you like the book? Describe thoda sa.
See, I'll give my honest review
give.
I watch the film, and then after that I'll give a proper review. 10 minutes Mahika talks.
Are you vlogging today?
No,
But you filmed me while coming.
I was just doing time pass.
Guys, comment down below and ask her to be more active on her YouTube channel. So we are in the theatre and right in front of us is a rod because of which we can't see the screen properly. So we are a little annoyed.
Very annoyed, a little you are. Very annoyed.
We are thinking like we wanted to change the seat, but it's literally like the movie released yesterday and it's going all houseful. You can't see it now because it's already past the movie time, so it shuts on Book My Show. So like we wanted to change the seat, but okay, we'll manage. At least you know you watched the movie, the scene, read the book.
I've read the book. She has not been behind me that I've read the book.
You know the story.
Fighter is coming.
See? Oh shit, it's completely going the aage ke seats.
Only the first row is empty.
Unless we sit on different seats.
You go there, I am sitting here. It's full.
It's full, literally houseful. So there's no option but to sit here. But it's fine, we'll enjoy. We will enjoy. So it's the interval and we've taken caramel and cheese mixed popcorn because she loves cheese and I like caramel. Till now I love the movie. It's really nice, but she's read the book. She's read the book. That's why she can like clearly like tell the differences and all. For me, because I'm unaware, it's nice to be unaware. That's why I'm enjoying it completely. So we're done watching the movie and this washroom is very pretty and aesthetic. So we were just taking reels. Lots of reels coming your way. But maybe I've already posted them. So whatever I've posted, I'll link them down below. But anyways, because I haven't read the book, I love I loved the movie. I loved it. Like, it was so wholesome. The topic is a very sensitive topic. I'm pretty sure that if you all have read the book or anyone actually knows the topic already. But it was a very sensitive topic. But the way that it was tackled and made, in the end, the only word I have for the movie is wholesome. So I'd obviously recommend you all to watch it, and especially if you are a non-reader of the book. But for someone who's a reader like Mahika, she was a little disappointed, won't lie, because a lot of the things were not shown like the movie. And for the readers, it won't be that impactful maybe. Now tell your views after you watched it.
Yeah, so I think I like the book better than I like the movie.
Yeah.
So if I had not read the book, I think
would
I
have.
would have liked the movie. But since I read the book, I wouldn't say.
Tell the main difference.
They have not shown a lot of things, of course, because they can't show everything. The book is huge. You can't just show every scene. And I don't know. It didn't. It got a very wholesome angle, like.
And the book was more deep, and you felt sad after reading the book.
I didn't know, like, the ending was nice, but like, I don't know how to say it. Like, I think the movie was completely wholesome. Like, the book had like very
Deep
points.
you felt shattered.
Like very
In the
deep
movie, you don't
points,
feel shattered.
Very descriptive deep points.
A lady came, so I had to cut the video. But now
what was I
Mahika
saying?
will continue.
But what was I saying?
You were talking about how it was not that impactful for you because it was.
Because in the book, they have shown like deep stuff, like in very depth में. In the movie, they have not shown depth में.
हाँ.
Of course, I think because they didn't want to portray it like that.
They didn't want to show
But
it.
if it's a book
हाँ.
that goes around that theme, so I think they should have done.
Made it that way, yeah.
like
In the book, you feel completely wholesome, not sad at all. Like, I didn't feel sad. Of course, you are like
In the movie.
Sorry, in the movie. Of course, you're moved that she stands up for herself. That's the only part. But other than that, it was like.
And there were some scenes that were not matching to the books to the book also. Like some scenes were a little different. I think because if they would have put those scenes, it would have extended
a lot
more. So maybe I think that, but it's okay. But yeah, I think I would. I think the book is better.
How many stars out of 5?
The movie.
Haan.
If I had not read the book and I had watched the film, I would have definitely given it on a 5 on 5.
Haan.
But since I have read the book, I would really give like 2.5.
Oh my god.
Because I've read the book.
So I'd give it 4.5 stars. People have said that the characters in the book don't match the characters in real life in the movie. Like they don't suit. Do you think Blake Lively's character not suited?
Yeah, I like the you're saying the casting.
Casting.
I like the casting.
Casting is amazing. Same. Like people said it's not good. They wanted a different actress and all, but the casting is great.
Yeah.
What are your plans for the rest of the weekend? 1.5 days that are left in your hand.
Oh.
Arey, seize the day, my friend. Pere is the.
Exactly. It's my birthday, Arjun.
Guys,
Not random
if you all
video.
have not watched the movie that she's talking about, we cannot be friends. I'm carrying Mahika's green bag.
I'm carrying her brown.
That's what we do, exchange outfits and things all the time. So we're here near the ceiling kind of area, like not the ceiling, but the way to the ceiling, just driving around a little bit, and we're twinning today also. I was wearing a jacket so you couldn't see, but every time we twin accidentally only.
Let's not lie. Last time we had.
Look, how's
Should
my
have
nail
not
polish?
watched.
How's my nail polish?
Do not like it. Just kidding. Yeah, very pretty.
Thank
So
you.
pretty.
And now we're just going to walk.
We are not walking. You want to walk, you walk.
Just going to now chill, take some videos, and then that's it for the
Go
video
home
also.
Then enough
And
party for the day.
Party. And then I'm gonna watch Hasina Dilruba mostly at night.
फिर आई
Hasina Dilruba. She didn't give me a very good review and more. And the high chance that
I just said part 1 was better than part 2.
you said part 2 was not that good.
Because part 1 was better than part 2. I liked part 1.
Yeah, same. I loved part 1. So let's see. But for a chill time, I can watch only. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and her channel. Also, make us hit many millions of subscribers.
We are saying this now. Come on, yeah.
Come on. Bye.